Hello, my name is Stephen Vigil, and this week I'll be demonstrating how to label an image onto the Google Drive and upload it to our lab for this week. So first, I'm going to make sure we have the Google homepage open. Click on the icon for our Google Drive or Google Apps. Click on Google Drive. Go to New. And we're going to click on More and select Google Drawings. And the box will open up from Google Drawings. And then we're going to download our picture into this box. So you go to Insert, go to Image, Upload from Computer, and it'll take us to the appropriate folder. In this case, we're going to click on the lab slide that we're using for this week. And then we're going to drag this box over to the center so we can start labeling it correctly. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, so you want to just click on to stretch it on the sides and the top. And first, we're going to drag the arrows to the appropriate location of the cell, starting with the nucleus of the pituitary. So you want to click on arrow here. In this case, we're going to use arrow. And arrow to the correct location. This is a pituitary site here. Pituitary here. Next, if you make a mistake, you just hit arrow back and they'll delete it. Next one is going to be the basophil cell. This location right here. And the next one will be the acidophil. Arrow back. Arrow. Click and then drag the arrow. Oops. Click on arrow. And click and drag. And release the mouse to there. Now we're going to label the image. First, we'll start off with the pituitary. So you want to click on text box. Click and drag. And then type in the name. So pituitary. Click on that. And you may have to move that over to the correct location. So you click on that and then drag the box over. And this may take a few attempts until you get it dialed in. Next one, we're going to label the basophil, so text box. Click and drag. And the next one we're going to label. And this one, if you're not happy with the location, same thing, just click and drag. And the next one we're going to label the acidophil. So click on text box. Click and drag. Get the spelling correctly. So acidophil. Same thing, you want to move it over just a tad, that's fine. So once you're done labeling the image, we're going to save it into a JPEG so we can upload it to our lab. So I'm going to go to File, Download Image, change to JPEG. Click on the box here in the left-hand corner. And then once the image pops up, we're going to crop it to get rid of all the excess space. So bring the sides in. Bring the top down just a tad, and then bring the bottom up. And once you're done doing that, we're going to save image. Save copy. And then we're going to label it. So this one is going to label as cell. And save image. So once the copy is saved, we're going to upload it to the file. So let's minimize this screen, minimize, click on the lab for this week. Click on the box that we're going to load the image in. Click on insert, pictures, and then click on the appropriate picture, double click, and there it has uploaded the image into the lab report. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.